Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix app keeps stopping in Android. Alright, so let's begin. Well, if you're using an Android and you think that your apps just keep crashing and that can drive you crazy, and honestly speaking, this is one of the major problems that most people are currently facing with their Android device. To solve this now, the first thing you can do is simple. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and then go ahead and tap on your name banner right there. Go ahead and tap on there and then tap Manage Apps and Device. Now here, go ahead and tap on this mark, and here you'll have to go ahead and tap Scan. Now what it will do, it will scan all those malicious viruses if it happens to be in your applications. Now if it says no harmful apps found, now let's go ahead and check out our next process to fix our problem. Now the next thing you guys can do is simple. Go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down to your apps, tap on there, and then go ahead and find the specific application that is causing the issue. Now let's say, for example, you are trying to open up your, let's say your Facebook, for example, then you can open up your Facebook or whatever the application you're currently using. Then go ahead and tap your storage and then tap Clear Cache and go ahead and tap Clear Data, tap Delete. Now go ahead and check whether you're being able to use that application or not. If still you're having the same problem, next thing you guys can do is simple. Just go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then all you can do is just go ahead and tap Search. Now go ahead and type the application that is causing the issue. Now let's say you were having a problem with your Google, for example. So I'll open up the Google, and here all you can do, just open up your Google from your Play Store and then go ahead and hit Update. Now after updating or reinstalling that application, your problem will be solved. Now hopefully after doing all of the processes, your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix app keeps stopping in Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.